guys, so I'm actually on my way to class now. I don't know if I have like a final today or Thursday, or even if I have class. So I don't know if I have a final today or I have a final Thursday because I had a final yesterday for everything else is drawing class. But I think finals, so it's really annoying. So I just want school to be over. You know, that's usually how it works. Okay, so basically, I found out that today is reading day, and it's a day to study. So I think I was right. Today is off, and Thursday is my final. Okay, guys, so I changed, as you can see, and I'm on my way to the gym now. Okay, guess where I am? Retro. Okay, and I'm back. It literally looks like nothing has changed, but that's because this camera is really good. But it's really dark outside now. It's 7:55. I am so tired and exhausted. I actually worked out with a friend today, which was really cool and fun, and it kind of pushed me. And I did like arms, abs, legs today. I'm gonna go home, and my family bought me Chipotle, so I'm so excited to eat Chipotle. I'm in a productive mood right now. I think I'm gonna clean my room. Just crap all over my room. Do not judge me. My room, I don't know what is with me. I've cleaned this room about 4 times in the past 2 days. I clean it. It's really nice for like a couple hours. Then I have to run out the door because I'm always running late, if you didn't know. So I'm like running late, so I made a freaking mess, then I clean it, then I make a mess, so it's just like an endless cycle basically. So please do not judge me. God, it's atrocious, but everything's just like everywhere and it's gross. So I'm gonna clean. Okay guys, I finished. I am so tired. It's about to be 12. I've made my bed, I vacuumed, I threw out a bunch of stuff out of my room. It looks so much nicer now. The only thing that I have to do is fold my laundry, and then after I fold my laundry, do another load of laundry, which I actually am gonna do tonight, so I'm gonna be up for a while. I just feel so much better now that everything's clean. I forgot really quick, before I do laundry, I'm just gonna show you my room. This is my vanity. A little overview. Here is like my go-to perfumes and deodorants and lotions. Here's like makeup that I don't really use, but they're like bougie makeup, so I'm not gonna throw them out. Plus like, well, that's not bougie, but here's my other desk. This is my art desk. I don't care if it gets messy. I actually prefer paint to get on here because, I don't know, it kind of makes me happy. Like, it's like my art place. I have all my like awards and stuff. I'm not gonna get too deep into it. Pictures, candles, jewelry, Polaroids, graduation cap, some pictures of my family. That's me right there, and that's my mama. Calendar, I got this from work. My Polaroid, I got it for my birthday. Some lotion, hair ties. This is like a jewelry box that like I spray painted black so it would look better because it was like an ugly like pink color. Here I have all my DVDs. I know what you're thinking. DVDs, who use DVDs? Me. I love DVDs. I have a DVD player. Actually, if you saw me clean it. I have a DVD player on my TV and I love watching like old movies. This is my memory box. This is where I keep birthday cards and like every letter. I don't really want to open it, to be honest. Every like letter and stuff. And here's like my picture box. It's just like a bunch of pictures and like random memorabilia that I didn't want to throw out. This little area, which is like cluttered and looks nicer with lights off. I got my fairy lights. I got my little heels here. Here's my mirror. So I have this long mirror to check my outfits with. And then I have my nice purses here. This is probably my most important area, I want to say. It's like flooded, but I finally organized my camera equipment. This is all of my camera equipment. My lamp that my aunt got me, humidifier, a bunch more perfumes, more pictures. I have an Alexa here. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 59 degrees. Today, expect a high of 68 degrees.
Yeah, so this is just my dresser. I have my gym bag, and behind that I have my school bag. Sister's bed, she doesn't sleep here anymore. I have more art supplies underneath my bed in the tubs. Here's my bed. Okay, this is like my sister's area. Okay, yeah, but that's my room. Pretty clean. Now I'm gonna do some laundry, and then I'm probably gonna go to sleep. Okay guys, it's the next day. So I stayed up till like 2 in the morning. Didn't even finish my laundry, I was so tired. Didn't fold my clothes either. Love that for me. And I didn't get to edit, so I literally did not accomplish anything. I started everything and did not finish. Yay me. I actually got a ticket, so love that. Someone's against me in my town. Well, they kind of are, because I'm always getting called by the cops for my car. Ooh, lighting change. Hopefully my car's not stuck, because I had to park in the back because people in this town hate me. People that don't park on the other side on Wednesday, you have to move your car at 8 a.m. Which is ridiculous because the cleaners don't even come till late anyways. So, whatever. Okay guys, I got to my school. This is my other school. Pretty cool. It's a parking lot. Yeah, lovely, lovely. But that's my school over there. It's blocked by a bunch of trees, but here you can see the school better. That's Ed Commons. That's like the library. We have like a Starbucks here, but no one really goes, surprisingly. She's there, so we're good. And I actually met up with my friends. I'll show you them later, but I'm out of breath because I was running. But I'm gonna go do my final now.
I don't know what to do for this project. She left.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
No, it's okay.
Do you want to say hi, Renata?
I'm not. You know where she is?
Jen, you want to say hi? We're just chilling in the lounge. Cuties. Oh my god. You're so cute. Okay guys, so as you can just see, I just got out of my final now. And final went good, got an A. And then I just like hung out with my friends as you saw in like the little lounge. Now I'm gonna go home. I still have to edit my vlog and I have to do laundry. Actually, that's what I have to do. And then I have to do some schoolwork because school doesn't end until next Monday for me. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I didn't make an outro, so I'm making an outro now. I'm actually editing the video right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video. Also, comment down on what you want to see next because I will do them, I promise. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you next time. So confused. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Sorry, I'm listening to music. Hey guys. Oop. 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 Oh no! Wait, there's someone walking. And someone just parked next to me. Love life, guys. Love life. Coast is clear.